Hello and welcome everyone, we're happy to be with you again. Today's lecture we're going to discuss the drilling view. So go get your drink and let's begin. First of all, to understand drilling view, we will need to add enclosure inside the 3D. So let's first add 3D layout space. To add 3D layout space, all you need to go to layout space navigator. After that, you need to add new 3D layout space. Now let's add this 3D layout space and name it 1, for example. Here we go. Now we have added the 3D layout space, number 1. Let's add enclosure inside it. You can add it easily from devices, or you can add it from insert and go to enclosure right there and choose whatever type of enclosure you want. Let's say we are going to use this as an example. As you can see, we added the enclosure easily right there. After that, we will need to press escape from the keyboard. Now we have this enclosure. If we went to the space number 1 and we open it, you can find here we have only one enclosure called S1. If we open S1, you will have the mounting panel. If we open the mounting panel, you will have the front view of the mounting panel. You have one of two options. The first option is to right click on the mounting view itself and go to show and choose only mounting panel, like that. After that, you will need to go to front view. You will have one of two options. The first option is to go to right there and choose front view from right there. Or you can also have here and press front view from right there. Also, you have another option if you press double click on the mounting panel front view. It's okay. Let's now add anything on this mounting panel. Let's say, for example, we are going to add a duct, wire duct. From right there, let's choose any type of duct. Let's say, for example, this type or this type. Let's choose this type for an example. If we choose it and press OK, you will have the option to add the duct now. You can put it at any place you want. Let's say starting from right this point to this point, for example. Okay. You can see this is our duct. If you want to show the drilling for this duct on the mounting view, all you need to do is to go to View and View the drilling view. All you need is to press this button. You can find here the drilling view. You have two bullet points to drill the duct to the mounting panel, and the other two right there, and so on. To change the spacing between the drilling points, all you need to do is to double click on it and go to parts and understand the part number of this duct. The part number is 753. This is our part number of this duct. Now you will need to go to master data, management, and after that you will need to look for drilling pattern. If we open the drilling pattern, you will need to look for the type of duct you want to use. This is our duct we are using, as you can see. To see the mounting drilling panel, you can see here the drilling panel points. We have two drilling points, the first one and the second one. You can see it. This is the first one and this is the second one. You can find here the subtype and the X position and Y position. X position, this means the position of the first one from the X axis, and also the Y position from the Y axis. Also, if there is angle of rotation, you can add it from right there. And also there are several things you can add it easily. Also, you can add the spacing between these easily from right there. Also, you can change the number of drilling point. Let's say we are gonna use one each 50 millimeter. So we are gonna press 1 and 1 like that, and press apply and press close. You will need to be updating the project. As you can see, we have pressed apply, but there is nothing happen. To update the project, all you need is to press update from right there, or the next time you are gonna use a duct, you're gonna have the new updates. So let's go to master data and go to update project and press OK. You can see now we have updated the entire project. Now we have one pilot point each 50 millimeter. Now let's see it in the 2D view, or bring this 3D view to 2D view. Let's go to 2D view. Close this one. Let's insert, go to home, insert a new page. This new page is gonna be, let's say for example, it's gonna be single multi-line. Let's call it drilling view. Here we go. And press OK. This is going to be the second view. Open it. Let's add the view inside it. To add the view inside it, all you need to go to insert and go to view and to the drilling view. After that, you will need to select the first drilling corner view. As you can see it right there. This is our first point, and the second corner you can put it right there, for example. After that, you will have drilling view window is gonna pop up for you. Allow you to choose what is the drilling points or drilling view you wanna show. Let's say, for example, we are gonna choose from the space 1, enclosure 1, the mounting panel, the front view mounting panel, and press OK and OK. You can see now the front view of the mounting panel. Now let's add the spacing. You can add the spacing easily between using the dimension. Go to insert and go to dimension. You have different type of dimension. I'm gonna use the linear dimension. Let's choose this dimension. We will need to get the space between this point right there. It's gonna be 25 millimeter. And also we will need to get this. It's gonna be 50 millimeter. As you remember, we have already chosen that. Also, you can get the distance between these two, like this. Okay. And also you can get the distance like that as 15 millimeter. And also you can get the distance between this point and this point like that, for an example, as 65. Here we go. You can see everything has been added in the 2D drilling view. Okay guys, now we have understood how we can put drilling view in 2D and also how we can show it in the 3D. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next lecture. Have a great day. Bye bye.